Amalungu e-MK Party axoshiwe akuphonsele inselelo ukususwa kwawo ePhalamende. Lokhu kuza ngemuva kwesikhathi esifishane afungiswa njengamalungu eqembu elisha eliphikisayo ePhalamende. Lamalungu angeneme athi isizathu sokumiswa kwawo ePhalamende awasazi, kanti abona sengathi le bekuyindlela yokuvumela ukuqokwa kukaFloyd Shivambu osule njengephini likaMengameli we-EFF kanye noMzwane Lemanyi abasuke kuleli qembu bayokuba ingxenye ye-MK Party.
Lokuqala icala loku set aside i-decision le ethathwe i-MK ukuthi ba-terminate ibaxoshe ngokungekho emthethweni. So leyo ilebe kade siyifaka enkantolo ngomsombuluko. I-date yalo yona ayakaphumi. Mase kuthi leli lanamhlanje bekade lisenkantolo i-application ye-interdict, urgent application for interdict. Leyo ke ithi ke while inkantolo isazokhipha isinqumo sokuthi baxoshwe ngokusemthethweni noma ngokungekho emthethweni, labe kumele bafungwe ePhalamende abakwazi ukufungwa while inkantolo ingaka decide ukuthi laba kubafanele ukuthi babuyele bama-members e-MK kanye nama-members of i-National Assembly.
I-MK Party izichithile lezi insolo yathi kwaba nokungahambi kahle esigabeni sokuqala ngesikhathi kubhalwa uhlu lwababezomela iqembu ePhalamende.
And we engaged with them in a civil manner to inform them that this is the situation and that they have to be replaced. And when I talk about sabotage, I'm talking about people who are putting in friends, community members, and family members onto our list. And so we communicated with them that they have to be replaced at some point.
Ukulalelwa kwesicelo kuzoqhubeka mhla zintathu kuMandulo, kanti likaphuma usuku lokulalelwa kwesicelo sokuphonsela inselelo ukumiswa kwamalungu e-MK Party ePhalamende.